Two fellas, one job. Wisdom's in the teamwork and the technique.
Hey, let's put that over here.
Sure, no problem.
Don't forget, lift with your legs and not your back.
But some hear advice and scoff. Then comes the reckoning. A man's back ain't made for bravado. It's bows, not steel. Lift wrong, and you're cashing in pride for pain. If that's your lifting style, then you probably need some wisdom. Men's Retreat, March 21st through 23rd.